Yes, 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 my people. Welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Another day in Antalya here. Yes, and we're still in the city here, and we're going to give you another walking around in the city. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour from Antalya. All right, guys. Our second day in Antalya. Still do not know how to get around, but we are doing fine so far. Because what really happened, we have no internet up to now. Yes, the internet here, they're charging like 1,200 Turkish dollar for those couple days, and we decided not to do any internet this time because we don't hear for a long time. So we're just gonna navigate around the town without internet. Yeah. So that's what we are doing right now. Yes. So this is a mall over there. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
This part remind me of the Marina Strip in Spain. Guys, remind me of it like that. Very similar. Don't forget also to go check out Black Market Shop. Go check out this shop. Send my post on Instagram. Let me know. Come on.
Yeah. These are all restaurants here. Hello, my friend. Hello, hello. Yeah.
I'm here with D-Mac as well. It's D-Mac 4K World Tour.
Yeah.
Go this side, we have a water spring. It does look like a swimming pool and stuff. Just a little waterfall with spring.
Hey, look at this artificial lady right here.
Hello, artificial lady. Oh, Mystic Meg. Hello, it's Mystic Meg. Hello, Mystic Meg. What are you going to be telling us now? Who's going to be celebrating the lottery, you know?
Yeah.
In your crystal ball. I can see my crystal ball tonight. D-Mac 4K World Tour.
Yeah.
And World Travel. He's going to be winning 10 million.
Yeah.
He's celebrating tonight.
Yeah. What's the taxi? Oh, taxi come through here too.
Yeah. That's
Oh.
taxi driver.
Yes.
Yes. You're Jamaican World Travel. Yes.
Okay. Now we can catch up back on ourselves now.
Yes.
The tram line here.
Once you reach the tram line, that's
Yes.
so,
So this tram line goes straight along there.
yes.
Okay.
And we could jump on the back of the after as well. Oh, they're like a taxi driver.
Yes.
This is very high encouraged guys, taxi drivers. But anyway guys, we encourage you, because to be very honest with you, don't use a taxi, they're too expensive.
Okay.
I don't want anyone up like
Oh.
to come here spending so much money.
So this is, let me look at this mall over here, no?
Yes, let's have a look at this guy.
Can check out this mall here. I don't know if we can go in there with camera, but
Maybe we can try it.
we can have a look.
Good, I'm perfect guys. Later on I'm going to come out to get some melon juice for my guy, you know? So I'll come back and see. Get some melon. I'll come back and see a melon juice when I come in.
Oh yes, sir.
just have to do it from outside. But if I get constant, I can go outside. These days, people are funny.
Yeah. It's a big city still.
It's quite a big city.
Yeah.
Big city.
Yeah. You want to take a chance?
Yes, man. There's your chances, you know.
Yeah.
If it's not to be allowed the camera inside, then I'll see what.
Yeah. Oh, you see, you have to use a card.
Use a code getting it.
Yes. You have to use a card and you have to scan your bag. Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna get in there. No camera inside there, so let me stay out here.
Here we go, guys. Let's see where the lady said no camera.
Yes.
No camera inside.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk around and give you a tour of the central area still, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Ah. Huh? So you have taxi all over the place, right? All over. But taxi are very expensive here too. Yeah. So what are we gonna do now?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, so we continue or walk around in town center Antalya here. Yep. Right.
It's quite hot here in Turkey as well. Standing at 35.
Okay, so this is the city of Antalya, my people. Yeah. Those little holidays. Alright, so that's it for this one. Remember to like, subscribe. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, feeding the pigeon right here.
Mm-hmm.